And yes, I probably could have made the biggest mistake by just watching one episode, because unlike WandaVision, this is kind of going to be a slightly bit of a disappointment. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So the first episode of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier is out now, and to be really honest, it was not that much exciting with respect to the hype that they had honestly created, because first 10 to 15 minutes are fabulous. Like, I wasn't even sure whether it was done keeping a web series in mind. It was totally out of budget according to me, because there's this big adventurous scene or a big action sequence between the Falcon and the bad guys, and it he basically kills it. And the entire show, like, the show absolutely began at a very good point, but as and when they were progressing with the rest of the time, it kind of became very slow, and we started kind of thinking about a lot of theories after all, which we shouldn't, because that's what happened when because the biggest reason of disappointment also could be that you start building up these theories in your mind, and in the end none of them work out, which happened with WandaVision. And I don't want this to become with Falcon and the Winter Soldier, so I won't make any kind of fan theories, or won't make any kind of predictions with this series. So, trying to keep it as spoiler free as possible, the story is just going to proceed after the Avengers, and what is now going to happen with the Falcon, and where exactly is Bucky in his point of life now. Because after the war, after the non-fighting stage of their lives now, what exactly are they going to proceed with? It is kind of very difficult for both of them to cope up with, because both of them were out of this world for around 5 years, and they are kind of trying to figure out where they would be now. So this is the basic plot line of the entire show, as we can see. And also, as we've seen in some of the promos and teasers, there is a big revelation at the end of the episode, which is definitely going to be a big disappointment. And the things which lead to that could be the also one of the plot line of the story. So, cinematography wise, it is amazing. I loved the angles that they've used. So, to give you one small spoiler, that it is not really kind of a spoiler, but Bucky is kind of into this treatment, and there's this scene with his counselor, that the way that they have taken the camera angles and the way they have shot everything, even the fight sequence, the action sequence, it is really, really amazing. So, story, I am not really having high hopes with this season, but cinematography wise, it has been an amazing pleasure to watch this first episode at least. So let us hope how they are gonna proceed with it, and unlike WandaVision, they should really make it short and crisp, so that it would be we won't have to wait for that long to know what exactly is going to happen in the end. At the end, don't keep too much high hopes, I would say. But yes, you will definitely enjoy the first 15 minutes of the series. You would definitely doubt yourself whether you are really watching a movie or is it really a web series. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.